Learn English conversation. Easy daily English practice. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Easy Daily English, the channel where learning English is simple, fun, and real life. I'm Sarah, and today's video will help you listen, speak, and think in English naturally. Do you want to speak with confidence? Do you want to understand real conversations? Then stay right here. This lesson is for you. Today's practice has 4 parts. 1 listening practice, 2 vocabulary and phrases, 3 listen and answer practice, 4 shadowing practice. So get ready, open your ears, speak out loud, and let's start your English brain training. Part 1. Listening practice. First, listen carefully to this short conversation. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just relax and listen for the main idea. Scene: rainy day conversation between Alice and Brian.
Jake, you're all wet. Where were you?
I was walking home from the library when it started to rain.
Oh no. Did you have an umbrella?
No, I forgot it at home this morning. So I started to run.
Then what happened?
I didn't see a puddle on the road. I stepped right into it.
That's terrible. That reminds me of the time I fell into a puddle at school. My shoes were wet all day.
My boots are full of water, too. And my library books got wet.
Oh no, you should dry them with a towel and change your clothes. You'll get sick.
You're right. I'll take a hot shower. Next time, I'll check the weather forecast.
Part 2. Vocabulary and expressions. Now let's learn some useful words and phrases from the story. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and remember. Repetition is power. 1. Then what happened? Used to ask for the next part of a story. Example: I dropped my phone. Then what happened? Did it break? 2. Puddle. A small pool of water on the ground after rain. Example: don't step in the puddle. 3. That reminds me of. You say this when something makes you remember something else. Example: this song reminds me of my trip to Paris. 4. Get sick. To feel unwell or catch a cold. Example: wear a jacket or you'll get sick. 5. Check the weather forecast. Look at the weather report before going out. Example: let's check the weather forecast before our trip. Repeat these phrases a few times. They'll become your natural English habits. Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Now it's your turn to speak. I'll ask you some questions. Answer out loud before I give the correct one. Don't be shy. Speaking out loud trains your fluency. Q1. Why was Jake wet? He was walking home from the library when it started to rain. Q2. Did Jake have an umbrella? No, he forgot it at home. Q3. What did Jake step into? He stepped into a puddle on the road. Q4. What got wet? His library books and shoes. Q5. What did Maya tell him to do? Change clothes and dry the books with a towel. Q6. What did Jake say he'll do next time? Check the weather forecast. Part 4. Shadowing practice. Now it's time to shadow. Repeat with the characters just like an actor. Copy the rhythm, emotion and pronunciation. Repeat after me. Alice. Jake, you're all wet. Brian. I was walking home from the library when it started to rain. Alice. Oh no! Did you have an umbrella? Brian. No, I forgot it at home this morning. Alice. Then what happened? Brian. I stepped into a big puddle. Alice. That reminds me of the time I fell into a puddle at school. Brian. My shoes and my library books got wet. Alice. Maybe you can dry them with a towel. Brian. You're right. I'll take a hot shower. Great job. You're not just listening. You're speaking English like a real person now. Outro. Call to action. Well done. You completed today's easy daily English lesson. Watch this video again every day for 1 week. Repeat, shadow, and answer out loud. The more you repeat, the more fluent you become. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to Easy Daily English. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next episode. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your channel, The Easy English Journey. Bye for now.